This ground floor studio flat is in the heart of the quarter mile. Upon entering through the private entrance to the property, you are met with a lovely piano. The room is bright and crisp, with a double bed, bedside table, armchair, chest of drawers, desk and chair, and cabinet. There is plenty of space to make yourself at home, with tall windows letting the light flood in. Continuing through to the kitchen, there is a dining table that sits next to the tall window. The kitchen is stylish, with an integrated fridge, dishwasher, and washing machine. Further round the studio, there is a mirrored wardrobe for belongings. Towards the bathroom on the right-hand side, there is a built-in wardrobe for storage and belongings. The bathroom is modern and sleek, with a large walk-in shower, sink, WC, and towel rail. This studio flat has a homely, fresh feel to it. If you are interested in renting this property, please contact Omega Lettings.